Hello, I am Shahnaz Parveen. As part of Unnayan, Redefining Leadership in the Digital Age, we have with us Ms. Pooja Minocha, Vice President, Human Resources and CHRO at Bata. Let's have a quick chat with her. Thank you, ma'am, for visiting our campus, Symbiosis Institute of Business Management. So the first question that I would like to ask you is, as an HR, how can you build more diverse and inclusive workspaces?
Okay, thank you. As HR, how do we build more diverse and inclusive workplace? Workplace by definition will have and should have diverse and inclusive work teams. And what do we mean by these two? Diverse means you have teams or people working for your organization from different types of genres, whether it's age, whether it is geographies, whether it is lifestyle, anything that is different is called diverse. And as an organization, how do you treat them with respect equally matters the most. So the mantra for being a very diverse and inclusive organization is only one thing: respect. Doesn't matter what age, background the individual is from. If you're able to respect in the same way you would with your leaders, with your parents, with the same individual, will make you a very strong, diverse and inclusive organization.
So my next question is, what advice would you give to the students taking HR as a specialization?
All right, sure. I'll have two advice for HR. Go deep in your subject in HR, beyond books. See what the world of HR is moving towards. But don't forget the legacy of HR on what it's built on, people first approach. The second is know your business very, very well. Business doesn't mean just sales and marketing function. It means your operations, your supply chain, your finance, your IT. Keep your eyes, ears on the floor, on the ground. Spend more time with your teams outside your office and get those needs met back in office. Influence the organization to be people and business first at the same time.
Ma'am, so the last question for you is, what are the key challenges that the organizations face today in driving business operations through HR?
Okay, that's a good question. What challenges HR faces today? I think really bringing all the business operations together is, are we really looking at a single purpose for the organization, or are we looking at siloed approach within functions? So what is really cutting that thread across functions to drive that one customer need is the challenge organizations have had, challenges will have. As HR, what can we do? We are one function that works with people 95% of the time. If we don't, then we should more of do that. If we are able to bring out those sentiments and understanding what is holding us back to work as one team and drive the agenda of one team, that one purpose, we will do great service to the organization. And if we are able to drive that well, trust me, there will be no organization that the consumer, the employees as well as shareholders would love to embrace with. So on that note, just make it one team, one purpose organization.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for interacting with us.
Thank you. It was lovely chatting with you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.